Hey there and welcome to Java Programming. Here another LeetCode question. 125 valid palindrome. This is an easy question, and what they're asking here is we need to check if a given string, whatever is the input, is it a valid palindrome or not. A palindrome, as we know, is a string which can be read left to right or right to left the same way. For example, race car or level. So you can see example 1. A man, they have given some spaces and comma also and semicolon, but yeah, it's a true because it can, when I do not include spaces, comma and colon and those special characters, just considering characters and digits, okay, it can have a digit or a character, that's what they're saying. Then the others are not allowed, like the space, comma or colon and so on, those are not allowed. Then you need to return true if it is a palindrome, and if it's not a palindrome then return false. So how do you go about solving this? I'm going to be showing a Java solution for this same problem. So let's start coding. So I've been given a class solution, and we're supposed to write public boolean is palindrome string of s. So let me create a string word, and what this would contain is s dot to lowercase. Why I'm converting is because I don't want the case to become a problem and give it false when it is not false. Okay, so that's the reason. And I'll be adopting a two-pointer approach. So create two pointers. One is approach the left and see, compare the leftmost character with the rightmost character and keep comparing. So for that I would need a left pointer, and that would start with a 0, and I would have a right pointer as well, and that would be s dot length -1, right? So I have left and right pointers. So I have a while condition where, I'm going to check if the left is less than the right pointer. And inside the loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to again check if while left is less than right, just along with that I need to make sure that it is a character, right? The string at whatever character dot is a letter or a digit. So this is the one, s dot caret left. If it's not a character or a digit, then what should I do? Left plus plus. Keep proceeding further and check the other letters, right? That's what we would do. And similarly for the right also we have to do the same thing, that is left less than right, and then again I need to check the right, what is the character, and if that's not okay, then right minus minus. Keep moving the pointer one step more. So that way I am not going to include any special characters, any commas, spaces, and so on through this code. We're going to avoid that. And then, so now when I come, I know that left is less than right, and it is not a special character. In this case, what should I do? S dot caret left. I'm going to check if it is equal to S dot caret right. If it is not equal to, then what happens? Simple, return false. Don't keep checking for the other things, just return false and come out. Whereas now if I've come out of this outer loop, return true, because I have checked everything. I have omitted the special characters and other things and iterating, and still it's giving me this. Okay, I think I should use word here. So that it doesn't give me a problem with the, uppercase, lowercase. Let's go about executing it. Here it should have been not. If it is character or digit, it should continue. If it's not, then we have to skip it. And once I do, it got accepted and submitted. So that's pretty much about it. It's a very easy two-pointer solution. I need to keep checking that the left is less than right, and I also need to see it's a letter or a digit, and then left plus plus, and right side also I need to check if it's a letter or digit, right minus minus. Okay, and we proceed in this way. And if word dot caret left not equal to word dot character right, then return false, left plus plus, right minus minus, end of the loop, return true. Okay, that's pretty much about it, and I hope this was helpful in your interview prep, and see you again in the next video. Thank you.